ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। अन्यत्र कर्म बंधन jagga. Only if you do jagga. What does jagga means? Jagga, one meaning is Vishnu, jagga another meaning is sacrifice. Whatever you do for the pleasure of the Lord, that is called jagga. And Kali Yuga, no other jagga. All jagga are culminates in Sankirtan jagga, Sammak Kirtan. All together, everybody assemble together and chant the holy name of God. His name, His form, His beauty, His pastime. The moment other than yoga, any karma people are doing outside, is karma bandhana. He is implicated. Pious activity, he become Indra, Brahma, go to Mahaloka, Janaloka, Tapaloka. Doing sinful activity, go to lower Urdhanga, Chati, Saptastha, all these things. That is why every day you get up early in the morning, mode of goodness. 1.5 hours before sunrise, people are all sleeping. Mode of ignorance, one should get up. Even it says in English, early to bed and early to rise makes a man hearty, wealthy and wise. Huh? Even that sense. But spiritually speaking, it's very good. That time, everybody pray to the Lord, not only in Vedic literature, in Christianity, in Muslim, everywhere, because that is the mode of goodness time. The moment day advances, sun comes, at once start mode of passion. Everybody is running. Now, even before that sunrise, I see sometimes still dark is come. Everybody going long distance for work. Car, motorcycle, tube, underground train, I seen London, New York, Calcutta, underground train. Everybody is run. It's called rat race. It's a sign of Rajogun. Rajogun means day and night work hard. Night duty, overtime. Rajogun, Tamogun, most of the people. As a result, so many other type of species of life there we are seeing. There are, how many? 9 lakhs? No? All together, 8,400,000 types of species there. 9 lakhs are in water. You see swordfish, shark, whale, again very small insect. 9 lakhs type. Reptiles, Komodo. You have got Komodo here? No. Indonesia, Komodo there. Reptile, crocodile, beak, anaconda in Brazil can swallow a crocodile. Birds, trees, 11 lakhs type of insects and reptiles. 20 lakhs type of, lakh means 1/10 of a million. Trees, 20 lakhs types of trees. It's not maybe this, maybe that, don't say. Exactly number is saying. 30 lakhs types of animal there. 10 lakhs types of bird there. Why? Because of the association of the mode of material nature. Because of your action and consciousness. You are human being. There are 400 types of human being. Somebody said, how? Different modes. Somebody mode of passion, somebody mode of ignorance, very few mode of goodness. Mode of goodness means he goes to Uddham, he goes to heavenly planets. Chandraloka, Suryaloka and higher. There are million times enjoyment, they are more advanced. Just like a from an ant, compared to an ant, we are more advanced, yes? Some insects live for a few minutes. If he comes to know that we live, this few minutes is nothing to us. Our one day consists of 12 hours of a day. Each hour is 60 times, 12 into 60. 720 minutes. 720 into 60, so many seconds. So we live, some insect even some few seconds live. If they know how long we live, we are like a Brahma or a demigod. Yes? We are living in a relative world. Why don't people believe that we are like ant compared to those who have the heavenly planet? They are doing pious activity. The devotees now chanting, dancing, getting up early in the morning, taking prasadam. They won't become all these things. These people will become outside ISKCON temple. Doesn't matter New York, London, Paris, India. Where does this ant, insect come from? All living entities are there. They all living. They all because of the karma. Karma na adhaiganachana. According to their karma, they get different. But if we serve Krishna with the mode of goodness, we get body like Krishna. The Krishna's body, our body is different. Our body is made of, is like a bag, skin bag, having bone, flesh, veins, so many other things, marrow, so many other obnoxious things. Smelling. This is gross, made of earth, water, fire. Then again made of subtle things, the subtle body, mind, intelligence. And you have got higher consciousness. All living entities think of eating, sleeping, mating, depending. But human being has a priority. He can think, I don't like to die. Who is enforcing me? Does anybody ask outside people? You ask him? You think he is not thinking. This is our main problem. Our problem is not food. Our problem is not food, clothing, or staying somewhere, nothing. Because so many living entities there, they are not working hard. Where are they getting? Nitto Nityanam Chetanas Chetananam. Lord is one, conscious being. He knows what you require. He can provide, he is providing elephant. Well, why not us? But we can ask this question. I don't like to die while I am dying. I don't like to be in the womb of mother 10 months, 10 days. Usually. Now, little less. And what a condition there we are staying. In like a bladder or a balloon. Very tender body, there are worms, there are gas, there are stool, urine, so many things there. So difficult. 7 months sleeping unconscious, then consciousness comes. It's a great science. But we forget, when we come back out of the womb, we forget all. We can ask this question, I don't want, why I have to do? I don't want disease, so many diseases. Go to hospital, oh my God. So many types. In Delhi there is a big hospital. AIN, All India Institute of Medical something. Huge hospital. A big city has big hospital. Calcutta, so many. Bombay, huge hospital, Hinduja. And we have got also. When you see people, so many people are suffering like anything. Very strange. You go to crematorium, my God. The hospital also keep it in the morgue. We never think these things. They are not human beings. Human beings should ask this question. Otherwise, what is the difference between animal and us? But if we follow, if we know Krishna's birth, death and activity, factually, then we get a body not like this. Our body is now subjected to all these things. Birth, death, old age, disease. That body is free from this is called liberation. How to do this? Get up early in the morning, take part, come to Mangalarti. This is called bhakti. Krishna says, Bhakta mam abhijanati javanjasya tattata. Scientifically, factually you can understand it. Not say yogi, not say Raj Yog, Karma Yog, Jnana Yog, nothing. Only by bhakti. What is bhakti? What we are doing now. Savanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Saranam, Archanam, Bandhanam. 64 items. And 9 items most important. Now what we are doing on hearing. Hearing what? Topics about Krishna. Krishna's name, form, beauty, pastime, their glorification. And their bhaktas. Yes. Confirm it. Yes. If we know Krishna by what? Krishna reveals, not by reading book you can know Krishna. Of course he's going, but it's full of mystery. Common people in the mode of passion, they don't believe all these things. They say this is mythology. Devotee is not like that, he believes. Yesterday I told the story, no? Yesterday I was telling some story. It's not blind faith. This is the beginning. Faith is the beginning. You must have some faith, just as you came here. Not everybody coming? No. Why is not coming? No. They have no faith. Let them talk. All these things we don't do. I have got so much to do. What is do? Watch television. Pele, footballer is watching. You don't come. You see animal world, very popular. So many things, the internet, television is a great Maya. More you go away from Krishna, you cannot understand it. More you go towards Krishna, you free from Maya. Krishna Sujya Sama Maya, Krishna is like the sun, Maya is like darkness. Jaha Sujya, Jaha Krishna Taha Maya Rujika. Where there is sun, there cannot be darkness. So where there is Krishna, there is everything, Satchit Ananda. How? You associate with Krishna, you get a body, eternal body, when you leave this body, temporary body, full of knowledge and bliss. And you go to the spiritual world, no birth, no death, no old age, no disease. This is the last life. But we believe, those who believe? One who is pious, one who is sinless. Why here few people came? Most of the people doing simple activities not coming. Others, you past life did some Krishna consciousness, but didn't complete it. They didn't think, all of us. We are coming from different countries. Why you get together, become one family? Because we did that before. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Whole world, when you come to know you belong to Krishna's family. Krishna is our father, Krishna is our mother. He will give you everything. He is saying, rascal, you go away. Come to me, surrender. I will give you everything. But can anybody say that he can give everything? No, sir. Unless Krishna give, how can we? We require a lot of water. Krishna gave so much water and preserving it in the sky also. You see, go on a plane, see thousands of millions of trillions of tons of water he kept it purified. Yeah? Some country there is not enough drinking water. I remember. I went to Australia and said, Maharaj, what water you drink at it? Why you have no water? No, we have no scarcity. So we saved rainwater, we drink. Oh, of course. Given by Krishna. Krishna is the best thing. You take fruit, so nice. I take fruit in the modern day and they, with some chemical, they make it ripe. No taste. Now going in Japan, one apple is a 1 kg. Is there any apple here 1 kg? Tomato, maybe a quarter kg. Huh? I said, no taste. Looks very good. I was in Fiji. Tamal Krishna Maharaj said, stay in my disciple's house. He is a manager. He has got little boy. He got there now grown up. He said, Maharaj, please give them initiation. I said, wait. So he said, told me, Maharaj, my wife cooked for you. She saw that when you are eating, through the window you are looking at a mango. Yes? Is it? I said, yes. Why? She said, I will cook that mango, give it to Maharaj. I said, no. You like it? I said, no. I have not seen mango so big. In India also big mango, they are not so big. How can a mango is... Maharaj, these are all hybrid. Hybrid means, by the chemical means something artificially ready, crossbreed. But I say it won't be tasty. But she said, Maharaj, my wife said, I will cook this for Maharaj. Why every day look at and Maharaj let him taste. Then I said, then make chutney, and she makes chutney. But I know if you take it, it won't be tasty. In our Mayapur, one devotee came, his name is Kanwa. He get from American government money because doctor says he something problem with his brain. This way he get money, he use it for horticulture. Fruits, flowers, vegetables he grows. And Mayapur, they come from Hawaii. He one day invited me to his room. Subhag Maharaj, you always look at me what I do. Come here. Have you taken your breakfast? Not yet. Like to take some drink? Yes, what drink? One from grass and one for neem leaf. Which one you take? I say, I am not cow. Neither I want to become cow. What? Why become cow? I don't take grass or grass juice. You take. What do you take? Neem juice is good for it. Tomorrow I'd like to try another thing, yes. See, what is it? Is it tomato? Such a big tomato? Yes. Like to taste? I think it won't be tasty. But it looks big, yes? You don't see this. Try. You cut it. And I say, bring salt in my childhood days. And from the market you will bring so many. Sometimes you take raw tomato. It's very tasty. Raw tomato. Make it whole. Put some salt. Very nice. Good for health. I mean, you digest everything. Very nice. Just today I see somebody cooked something, tomato and something. So I was taking his bread. This boy cooked for me. I said, bring toasted bread. Very nice. But these are natural. What Krishna gave, that is best. So one is intelligent. He follows Krishna's authority. Krishna authority, Krishna is telling Bhagavad Gita, do this. Krishna said, most important thing is, if you want to know me, Bhakta, do this thing. Hearing, chanting, then Krishna reveals. Krishna reveals to Brahma, 1000 years he did bhajan, tapo. Then he comes to know what is spiritual world. There is a world where there is land. Whatever you ask, he will fulfill your desire. Here he asks, "Hey, give me apple." You will give? You go to see some tree, give me apple, you will get. No. The spiritual world, you tell, give me apple, you will get. In spiritual world, you give the land some dust, take, I want this. He may fulfill your desire. So Prabhupada was walking, morning walk in Vrindavan. Some devotee asked Prabhupada, is Vrindavan is non-divine from spiritual? Yes. The spiritual world, to the art, the land, you ask something, you fulfill your desire. Yes. Here it will do, yes. If he likes, you have to be also pure. Why? Goswamis did. Goswamis used to live in Vrindavan doing bhajan. Day and night doing bhajan. 24 hours. Eat little, sleep little. More you eat, more you sleep. Kumbhakarna sleeps 6 months. Kumbhakarna. Nowadays people are little Kumbhakarna. You working very hard, eat as much as possible then. But we don't, we sleep only 6 hours, not more. We necessary daytime little extra. Otherwise mode of ignorance. Ignorance means eat so much and sleep also. So there are living entities, they sleep long time. They will become like that. But if you chant Hare Krishna, eat only prasad, then you won't become other lower living entity who sleeps long, eat long. Mode of ignorance will become lower living entity. And if you in a mode of goodness, Uttam Gacchati Sattasta, you go to higher planet, you have got much more advanced standard of living. Just like to an ant, we are more advanced, yes? Much more. One ant cannot think of how much you eat, how far you go. You are going in the sky plane. You tell the ant, most probably he won't believe. Exactly same way, many people outside ISKCON don't believe maybe all these planets have got more advanced civilization. They want to see everything. They cannot see so many things. He cannot see nearest thing to his eye, the eyelid. Anybody can see your eyelid? You can see your eyelid? You can see everything here? No, there are so many insects. You cannot see. You have to require some microscope. Yes? In the daytime, we don't see stars. Suppose there are many living entities, only live daytime. Our daytime, there may be this their life, even much less than whole daytime is their life. There are many insects, live few minutes, few seconds. So if you tell them there is another time, what? To human beings it is their night. To you it may not be your own, even your life, a part of your life. So that time you will say, there you see so many in the sky stars. Hey, I don't believe. Why? I don't see stars. You may not see. But those are advanced beings, they see. So we may not know many things, see many things, but others know. But we can become like that. How? By understanding Krishna. Jasmin vigyate, sarvamevam vigyatam bhavanti. If you know Krishna, you can know everything. May not know how to make a jumbo jet. That may not know. But what is necessary to know, you will know. Do you believe man can fly from one place to another? They have also plane, higher planet. But that plane, no accident, like some few days ago, there is a plane accident. Lion's plane in Indonesia. Fell somewhere, they are not stalled, still they didn't find it. Last time another year, some year back, this happened to AirAsia plane. Now this time 328 people. Where they have gone, nobody. They still couldn't find it. But other higher planetary plane, no Baba. Even here, even birds, bees flying, do they have accident and fall? So higher planets, They have the mystic power. They can fly. Very higher planets, here even. They have some power, they can fly. Some witches can, just riding on a broom or a tree, you can fly. In Krishna's time, 5,000 years ago, one girl was seeing his boyfriend, Anuruddha, Usha. Have you read anybody Srimad Bhagavatam Krishna book? Usha. In India there is a part, south, east, beyond Bengal, further east Assam, below Himalaya. There are still some persons there like Putana, Khechuri can go by the skyway, on the air. Simply, it's a mantra, flying in a, riding on a broom or a tree, dead tree, branch. And at that time, he asked, tell your boyfriend I will bring. In a dream you saw. That he is picture his friend, he is a mystic. His name is Chitralekha. Anybody read that story? Chitralekha, Usha and Chitralekha. Whose was daughter? Bittasur? Some Asura's daughter. In Jagat. Name of that place near Guwahati. That place is still there, the name, everything. The remains of the palace is still there. That Chitralekha painted many beautiful, handsome young boys, famous. He painted about Pradyumna, she smiled. But he looks like this. Then he painted his son. Yeah, she started bashfully smiling. Yes, this boy I saw in a dream. Don't mind. I will bring, don't worry, I will bring that boy. He overnight, she has mystic power. She is going, flying. I don't know whether other can see. She went to Krishna's palace at night in Dwaraka. From Guwahati to Dwaraka will be at least 1,500 kilometer or mile. Could be more. And she brought him, when he was sleeping in his bedroom, she entered and brought him to her palace, to her friend's palace, Usha's palace. You read Krishna book there. This is not impossible in India. Now soon coming, December to January or January to February this year, maybe. Every year there is Kumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela means when there is a churning of the ocean, some nectar came out. And this nectar being everybody wants. Demigods want or the Asura wants. Somebody snatch it. Then Garuda snatch it away. Then when Garuda snatch it and carry it, it fell few places. One is Prayag, one is Nashik, one is Haridwar, one is Ujjain. These four places, every year there is Mela, big festival of all the sadhu and pious people of India. Maybe the greatest gathering of whole of the world of all saintly persons. Maybe sometimes they are gathered 20 million people. Can you think of it? Just to take bath. They say if you take bath, auspicious time, at that time, you will take bath again and come to this material world. So at that time, many saintly persons from all parts of India, could be from other planets, they come to take bath. There could be people 400 years, 700 years old. Do you believe? May not believe, huh? They are yogi. Because people don't see more than 100 years old. And one person was collecting and distributing book. Prabhupada was there in 1976. I was there 3 times. So many people, I can't do that. So, it become a big city like Calcutta, Bombay. temporary, 1 month. India government has to spend so much money. Had all arrangement, hospital, police station, internet, everything. Ambulance, everything. Arrangement for water, arrangement sanitary system. A temporary city. There, so one devotee was distributing book, and if somebody does not give enough money, he has a stick, with a stick he sometimes hitting him. So one devotee told Prabhupada said, call him. I heard, if somebody doesn't give you enough money, your desired amount, you hit this. Don't do this. Do you know who comes here? Great personalities come here. But you don't know. They will come in disguise. Don't do it. Prabhupada, you saw very, very old man. We have never seen in our life. How? They look like only they have got skin and bone, no flesh hardly. How they sit, how they walk, they cannot see now. The eyes is like hanging. Like that they see. They are sitting. How old they look? Well, it looks like Prabhupada more than 100 years. It could be 150 minimum, I think. Prabhupada said, no. How the Prabhupada come here? I don't think how they walk, how they stand even. It's all bonus. Prabhupada said, they are great yogi. They may have lot of mystic power. So without your knowledge, they can go. Without your knowledge, they can come. Yeah? Yes. Some people may come, you don't know. Not only 150. Why 150? It could be 400, 700 years old. Even sometimes people say 900 years old. There are Vaisdev in Himalaya, thousands of years old by now. There are Hanuman there. There are many others. There are Vibhishan. Different places of course. There are Bhrigupati, Parshuram, Mahendra Parvat. He is meditating till now, being austerity. We may not believe. Who cares for whether we believe or not? For those who are 70%, they know. We believe there are birds flying from one planet to another, like Garuda, and pick up the elephant to eat. You believe? You have seen elephant, Gaja. Huh? In your country must be in the forest elephant there. Is the elephant? Indonesia, a lot of elephants. One can eat elephant, a bird can pick up. Can you think of how big that bird could? They are eating. They sometimes take up a lamb almost. I was watching in America, golden eagle, eat. Pick up rabbits, small lamb. We cannot see, doesn't necessarily mean there is nothing like that. We have never seen, we have seen whales maybe in the picture. There are living entity can swallow whale, mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam, called killing god. So all these things Krishna is saying, common people may not believe, but devotee who is doing devotional service, he has reason to believe. Yesterday he told some story. God can do anything and everything. The story goes like this. Once Narad Muni was going to Vaikuntha, one scholar, big Sanskrit scholar, Pandit Brahmin, and he has got many students. He reads scripture. He asked Narad Muni, where do you go? I go to Vaikuntha to see Narayan. Oh, can you tell me when I will go? When I will achieve perfection and go back to Godhead. And then ask the Lord, yes. Then another cobbler, he chant Hare Krishna. He is a bhakta. He also asks, please Lord, Okay, when you come back, please tell her. When you went there, then he asked the Lord. The Lord said that scholar, Pandit, Brahmin, I cannot say when you come, it will take time many times. Really? He knows scripture explaining. Why you say like that? What about the cobbler chanting Hare Krishna? He will come back very soon, this life. I don't understand how he makes such decisions. He explained so much, knows so much. You will know. How? When you go there, they may ask you. If they ask you what Lord was doing, you went there. How do I know? Be sure. You saw him. Can you tell me what he was doing? If they say, you tell, the Lord, you should take this needle. The Lord, you see this needle? You know needle? Small? They do sewing, ladies. I may not tell her. This needle has got a small hole. Yes? Very small. With that hole, through that hole, Lord was passing a big elephant. Through the hole. From one side to other side to this. Tell me? Then see how they act. From there you will understand. Simply simple. Okay. And you went there, and when the scholar asked, now when you come, sit down. So what Lord say when I am going back to God? Naturally nobody wants to tell something negative. Yes? Do you like to tell somebody negative? He will get upset. So he's hesitating. Lord said, I think, tell me, you are sure he will go back to God soon? He is explaining so many things. Tell me, Narada Muni, did you really go to the Lord and ask? Yes, yes. Tell us what he was doing at that time. The moment you went, what he was doing? Then he said this thing. What? What is all this nonsense you are telling? This needle, small hole, elephant, Lord is passing elephant. Will anybody believe? Oh, nonsense, all these things. Don't tell us all this nonsense. Who will believe you? The needle hole, Lord is passing an elephant. Don't come here to tell all these things. That is why I say, I want to go back to glory. Not Ram any life. Narada Muni understand now why Lord said. Lord does so many wonderful things common people can never think of. Yes? What Lord does, common people can never think of this. A little boy, Krishna, you see little Krishna, do they show in television? Many countries show little Krishna. Little Krishna is playing flute. He is saying, his friend saying, Krishna, we are smelling something nice, tal. We want to eat. Very nice smell of mango pie. We are hungry. Please, we want to eat. He said, no problem. Krishna plays flute. Mango falling. Will people believe? Maybe magician something can do, everything cannot. Krishna's mother said, Krishna, I am hearing your brother is telling Balaram, you are eating dirt. Why your father, I don't give you food to eat? You take so much food. Why you eat dirt? No, mommy, I didn't eat. We have got quarrel. So that you can chastise me, they couldn't do anything, so telling you lie. Really? The mother just said, okay, my challenge, open your mouth, let me at least show me. Every son like to have fun with mother sometimes. He knows mother loves me, he won't get angry actually. Sometimes mother may do something, but actually mother likes, son can understand. So the son sometimes make fun with mother. Open your mouth. Krishna, okay. Krishna wants to show his mother You are not my mother. I have no mother, no father. I am God. I can do anything, everything. Mother is watching. Big ocean. Big planets, stars, sky. Huge universe. What I am watching within this mouth of this little boy. She getting bewildered. What is I am seeing? Now, Krishna could understand. Though he is little boy, he is God, he can understand. Mother will forget me. As my son seeing something, maybe a great mistake, she gets scared. At once, suddenly, hey, where is God? No, nothing there. Hey, Krishna starts smiling. Mommy. Every mother likes his son. Very nice. Mother, what can you do? Oh, yes. Nothing. Maybe I was mistaken. You understand? I saw something. It's my mistake. So people will believe within this mouth, Krishna is showing this thing. He will say, how is it possible? Little mouth, a little boy, how can I show all these things? But Krishna can, because he is God. Now when you went to that shoe repair, that cobbler, and cobbler said, oh, now he has come, please sit, drink some water. What Lord, you saw the Lord, what the Lord was doing. What Lord say about me? He said again, same thing. Through the eye, you see this needle? And you see that? Through this small needle, Lord is passing a huge elephant. Moment he said that, tears rolled down his eyes. What happened to you? He said, my Lord is so wonderful, he can do anything and everything, you see? Lord can do anything and everything. He has got so much power, we cannot think of. Saying this in ecstasy, he is jumping in ecstasy and dancing. Oh, how great is my Lord. Stop, you believe this? How do you believe? Come on. You believe this with this little hole? He's passing a big elephant? You believe? Why not? Navadmuni, you can. Why not believe? Lord can do anything and everything. Common people will believe. Why? The common people think him like us, maybe little better. Cannot pursue through the needle elephant. Something little better than us he can do. Not through the eye of a needle, through an elephant huge. But that is God. That is the difference between God and us. Unless you accept, he has got inconceivable power. Inconceivable we cannot think of. Then you can understand the devotee. You can make day into night, night into day. Death you can bring it to alive. If you read Srimad Bhagavatam, you say so many things he is doing. He is coming out from the nose of Brahma. It's like a little hog. Becoming bigger, so big that a wild hog has got teeth, like this. He can attack even a tiger. Here's a tiger. Fight. You see animal one. So big he took the form to fight with Hiranyaksha. That Hiranyaksha took this earth and took it to lower plantations under the sea water. And hog can go any dirty place. So hog, that huge boar incarnation of the Lord, went inside the water. From the nose it came out little, becoming bigger. Can anybody do? So big that with this task he can pick up this earth from under the water up. Will people believe this? The devotee believe. That is the divine. So devotee can understand God. Because Lord reveals. With your own endeavor, you cannot understand God. What can do? But if God reveals to you, you can understand. He will show you, I have this hand. That's why he said, Janma karma, chana dipa. Dipa means transcendental. Not come within the jurisdiction of material nature. What we do, we are within the jurisdiction of material nature. You cannot live more than 100 years. You have to go old. Krishna has become 125 years. He remains young still. So devotee who do devotional service, many times you will see devotee, he may be very old, but he look like not so old. Why? Because he is associating with Krishna. So this can happen to any of us. So a devotee believes that when I die, when I go back to Krishna Loka, I will also have a body like Krishna. With our eyes we can even eat. With our ear we can even see. In other words, every sense can do the function of other senses. Eyes cannot only see, he can even eat. Krishna may be far away in Goloka Vrindavan. He is within our heart also. He at the same time walking, also not walking. You can see, even the sun, you are here, you are seeing, you go long distance, another place, you see the same sun over the sky, isn't it? So if sun can be like, why not Krishna? This is the example. Whatever. No, 1 hour, more than 1 hour. Huh? You stop. I am supposed to talk 20 minutes only, because doctors say, otherwise there is danger. Krishna likes, you can work 3 times, 4 times more than that. Nothing happens.